Hello friends. In this video, I want to explain about the importance of continuing to learn so that you are good at mastering Excel VBA. In the world of Excel and Visual Basic for Applications, VBA, continuous learning is key to mastering this powerful combination. But why is it important to keep learning and improving your VBA skills? Let's explore. First and foremost, learning VBA allows you to unlock the full potential of Excel. With VBA, you can automate tasks, build custom functions, and create powerful macros that can save you time and increase your productivity. By continually learning VBA, you can discover new techniques, functions, and features that can revolutionize the way you work with Excel. It opens up a world of possibilities and empowers you to tackle complex challenges with ease. Staying updated with VBA advancements and best practices is crucial. Excel and VBA are continuously evolving, with new features and enhancements being introduced. By keeping up with the latest updates and learning from experts, you can stay ahead of the curve and leverage the newest capabilities. Furthermore, continuous learning helps you become more efficient and effective in your VBA coding. As you learn new techniques, design patterns, and coding strategies, you can write cleaner, more optimized code, making your solutions faster and more reliable. Learning VBA opens doors to exciting opportunities. It can enhance your career prospects, whether you're looking for a promotion, starting a freelance business, or pursuing new job opportunities. VBA expertise is highly sought after in industries that heavily rely on data analysis and automation. Moreover, mastering VBA boosts your problem-solving skills. Excel is a versatile tool with countless scenarios and challenges. By deepening your VBA knowledge, you develop a problem-solving mindset, allowing you to find creative solutions and overcome complex data-related tasks. In summary, continuous learning in VBA Excel is vital to unlock its full potential. Stay updated with new features, improve coding efficiency, explore career opportunities, and enhance problem-solving skills. Embrace the learning journey, and you'll become a true VBA expert. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced VBA user, remember that learning is a lifelong process. Keep exploring, practicing, and expanding your VBA skills to excel in Excel